Hello, in biology today, we're looking at the topic habitats. A habitat is the natural home or environment of a plant, animal, or other organism. Simply put, a habitat is a place of residence. But when you narrow it down to biology, you can now say it is the natural home or environment of a plant, an animal, or other organism. It provides the organism that lives there with food, shelter, water, and space to survive. Habitats consists of both biotic means living things, and abiotic means non-living things. So habitat consists of both living and non-living factors. Biotic factors are living things, while abiotic factors are non-living things. Let's look at examples of habitats. We have the aquatic habitats. We also have the terrestrial habitat. Aquatic, aqua means water. So aquatic means water habitat, and it includes fresh water, marine water, and brackish water. While terrestrial means land habitats. Terrestrial habitats are forests, grassland, steppe, and deserts. We will start with the aquatic habitats. Aquatic habitats. Under aquatic habitats, we'll be looking at freshwater habitats first. Freshwater include rivers, creeks, lakes, ponds, and streams. So wetlands like swamps are also freshwater habitats. These wetlands like swamps have woody plants. Wetlands like swamps which have woody plants and trees and marshes, just like what we're seeing here. We're seeing this water. We're also seeing plants on the surface of the water. These are all freshwater habitats. Freshwater accounts for only 3% of the world's water. The other 97% are all salt water. So freshwater habitats accounts for only 3% of the world's water. Organisms that can be found in freshwater habitats include tadpole, amphibian, crayfish, crustacean, water mites, etc. Let's look at another example of aquatic habitats, the marine habitats. Marine or pelagic habitats are habitats of the open water column away from the bottom of the ocean. This type of habitat is characterized by light, temperature. The habitat is substrate. There's a wave action. The image on the screen is showing us a wave action. It's one of the characteristics of a marine habitat. And there's oxygen availability. There's high levels of dissolved salt in the marine habitat. Organisms found in the marine habitat include sea worms, jellyfish, sea anemones, shellfish, squid, octopus, and starfish. Fishes are vertebrates that are found in marine environments. Examples of ocean fish include sardines, anchovies, sharks, and barracudas. Now let's look at another example of aquatic habitats, the estuarine habitats. The estuarine habitats are partly enclosed bodies of water where freshwater from rivers and streams mix with salt water from the ocean. The image of the screen is showing us what an estuarine habitat looks like. We are seeing two water coming from different water bodies coming to join together. It is a water body where freshwater from rivers and streams mixed with salt water from the ocean, resulting in brackish water. So another name for the estuarine habitat is brackish water. So when you are asked to talk about brackish water, you are still being asked to talk about estuarine water or estuarine habitats. The water is generally partially enclosed or cut off from the ocean and may consist of channels, slugs, and muds and sand flats. Estuaries vary in sizes and can be termed bays, lagoons, inlets, wetlands, and swamps. Now, the organisms that can be found in the estuarine or brackish habitats include bacteria, snails, worms, crabs, fish, shellfish, mangroves, seagrass, and migratory coastal birds. We'll be looking at the terrestrial habitats in our next demo. Stay tuned until our next demo where we'll talk about the terrestrial habitats. Let's look at the assessment section. Define habitats. What organisms are found in the freshwater habitats? Drop your answer in the comment section. Thank you for watching. Join us in our next demo.